Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about supply and what can shift the supply curve. So the market supply curve summarizes the behavior of a business's competitors, demonstrating the quantity supplied across all sellers. It asks, given the price of our product, how much should we supply? The market supply curve is upward sloping because the higher the price, the more a business will want to supply of it because they will want to sell more of it. The higher the price, the greater quantity supplied. A higher price also demonstrates that enough businesses have an interest in selling it, so the price will be raised. One could also say the same about a lower price. Less businesses are doing well selling them, so the prices are low. A higher price shows it is more profitable to be a business in that industry. Now, let's move on to the supply curve. So one thing to understand is that the curves are drawn with the y-axis being price and the x-axis being the quantity. Keeping in mind that most supply curves are upward sloping, some things can shift the supply curve to different points and that changes their values. A rightward shift like this is shown in an increase in supply, as you can see by the points increasing on the quantity, therefore changing the price as well. At each and every new price on the supply curve, the quantity supplied would be higher. A leftward shift shows a decrease in supply. As you can see, as the line moves down, it also moves down the supply line. Now let's use a real-world problem to demonstrate how the market curve shifts. In 2022, during the spread of COVID, to cross over the Canadian-American border, a person would have to quarantine for 14 days to decrease the transmission of the disease. All truck drivers would also have to be double vaccinated against COVID to cross. Many truck drivers were not happy with these regulations. A protest formed and it grew to over 4,000 trucks, stopping the delivery of goods and forced businesses to temporarily close. A blockade was set up on one of the busiest routes that connected Canada to the US, making trucks that were still delivering unable to deliver their goods. Specifically, dealerships such as Ford, GM, Honda, and Toyota were affected by the lack of deliveries because they were unable to get the parts of their vehicles. Not only did this make parts hard to come by to build and fix cars, it made the prices of vehicles increase because of the increased price in the input of prices in the car parts. If we were to put this on a graph, this here would be the original supply line, and because the prices of inputs were raised and harder to get to, the curve would shift to the left. This displays the quantity going down and the prices for the whole curve to rise. Well, that was the supply curve and how it gets shifted. Thanks everyone for watching.